It's certified with a 15.0 combined energy efficient ratio to help you stay cool and keep electric bills low. Hey everyone, today I'll be looking at the Dreo Inverter window air conditioner. This is the easiest to install and most efficient inverter air conditioner of 2022, and let me tell you why. The Dreo AC unit installs in minutes thanks to its pre-assembled design, saving you 30 to 50% of the time it takes to install similar units. All you have to do is slide it in and secure it with screws. It's designed to cool spaces up to 350 square feet. That could be your bedroom or your office, with 8,000 BTUs, variable speed settings, and multi-directional airflow from left and right to up and down. This Dreo Inverter air conditioner is also quiet thanks to its noise-canceling mechanism that greatly reduces noise from itself and outside the window. At just 42 decibels, the quiet operation will keep your space peaceful, allowing you to maintain focus while you work and sleep at night. This product is also ENERGY STAR certified with low power operation. The Dreo Inverter compressor will reward you with 35% more energy savings compared to conventional compressors. It's certified with a 15.0 combined energy efficient ratio to help you stay cool and keep electric bills low. It fits in any window width between 25 inches to 36 inches, and it weighs about 62 pounds, so you might want some help when lifting it into place. Overall, I'd recommend this Dreo Inverter window air conditioner to anyone who's looking for an efficient AC unit to keep larger rooms consistently cool without the hassle of loud operation or an expensive energy bill.